What is up, guys? This is the weekend. So we are doing the AE86 today. We're going to Elvin's workshop to do a few more stuff in the AE86. Pretty exciting. Pretty exciting day because I've not actually started doing the AE86 yet since I've towed to Elvin. So yeah, see you at Elvin. We are at Elvin already. Penuh sia. Uish. Ada apa, Bin? Hah? Oh, spray tutup body. Ready sudah. All the stuff taken out already. Pagi mau buka roh. Yeah, gonna take out the seats inside and whatnot. Oh. So, yang Al. Kena mangsa spray dah kilat dah. We have taken out the body part before this and the chair. All already taken out. So now we're gonna clean up the inside and take out the stuff in the engine bay. So yeah, let's do it. Yes, clutch pump is out. Brake pump is already out. And then how do I open this one? Loose saja. Buka pedal pun mesti lama. Bawa kabin. Aduh. Nato na ulang na battery. I don't know. Tapi
Oke lah.
Breakfast tuh nang lama lah nyamuk keluar. Cina. Nah, laju. Cabut.
Esok cuti.
Cuti.
Cuti kan semua?
Aduh mak. Saya cabut ini macam mana saya buka tas ini. Benar juga. Ngam. Ada barang sudah. Pemotor. Pemotor kau tu bukan? Mana tadi? Yang buka ke betul?
Bukan tinggal.
Pernah kena main respray. Ya kah?
Spray sampai di bawah, satu spray atas.
Oh, nah, spray sekali. Ya. Sejuk dia bin. 80-an tu bisi pelik sikit bin. Dan stamina mindah ke lu start lah ya rusak. Penyakit dia. Aduh, kakiku kena. Aduh, nyamai. Wiper motor. Berat tangan. Ini pun kena. Syah. Syah. Hey. Seats. One more. So we have opened up the fender. Side fenders totally open, and yeah. Side fenders totally open, both sides. Brake booster, clutch pump, fuel line we kind of like already open also. So it's just left wiper motor. Apa lagi? Yes. This battery have to grind grind to take it out. So yeah lah, ready to sandpaper. Zizi tu sub ke Zizi. So the front part is ready to sandpaper, and after the front part sandpaper, and maybe this side one also will be sandpapered as well. And then after that, the inside is already also taken out, the seats, but then have not fully taken out the interior. Most probably gonna do it like next week. So yeah, today didn't really progress much because it was a very hot day. So yeah, guys know the deal. Like, comment and subscribe, and we guys like the video. See you guys in the next video.